There we go. You still hear me?
Yep.
Duncan just called me. He's leaving his house now. He's all loaded up. He's heading to the clubhouse.
Okay. Well,
So that should
be close.
Yeah. Pretty close. There's one of them water holes. Oh, porcupine.
Yeah, it's dead.
Oh, okay.
I don't know if somebody hit it or what. It's moved, though, because it was over at the other side.
Somebody probably hit it again. Ooh. Yuck.
There's a culvert. That's it. It's sharp.
Yeah, I don't like this.
Yeah.
Did you have like a little bit of momentum or?
No, I hit it slow right exactly in front of you. Because there's nowhere to go around it. There's that pallet over there, but there's brush in the way.
Huh.
I think this is where I got the mud on the back of my sled.
Probably.
Oh, shit. You bastard.
Here, I'll pull your ski.
I'm not going to get backed out. Or I hit it too easy. Ready?
Yeah. There you go.
Yeah, and there was a sharp end there. I didn't want to be spinning the track on that.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
No problem. Yeah, another water crossing up here, looks like.
They've gotten worse since I went through before. More traffic. But other than the one right at the bridge, this is the end of it.
Oh, there he is. I'll go around the other way. Another 4-stroke. The 4-stroke bug is bit. We'll see if Duncan's happy with moving from the 600 etec to the 900 ace.
You're gonna record me coming off the truck?
Yeah, why not?
Why?
Because if you catch an edge and flip it, it'll make for good material. Are you leaving your ramp here? Just like that? Okay.
No. Second. Do I ever want to go first?
Is that alright? That's good? Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Ooh.
Whose idea was this?
Your lips are moving, but I can't hear you talk. Are we backing up?
Yep. I am.
Okay.
Screw that tomfoolery.
Yeah.
A little bit of road running and then I take this right into Yarker.
Okay.
So, interesting tidbit. This is an abandoned rail line, and it's the same one that goes back to Aaronsville.
Oh, yeah?
Yep. A little bit of slush. Sleds coming.
I think that was Bill and Sarah that we just passed there.
Oh, was it?
I think so. I think I recognize.
At the start of Varty?
No.
Oh, yeah, right there.
Yeah. Because I think I recognized Bill's sled at the front.
Yeah.
And when I saw the second rider and said, that looks a lot like Sarah. But it was too late by the time
Right.
Okay, so I put them down 3 full turns in the loose snow, and it works pretty good. And I watched a couple videos. The one guy said he always lifts his before he loads for the trailer and puts the clamps on.
Smart.
Yeah, it smells like
And I've been pulling them up before.
burning rubber.
I put it in the. Not just the sliders, is it?
No.
No, it smells like rubber. Like
Yeah,
someone's peeled their
plastic.
tires or...
What's this?
Yeah.
There you go.
What is like an overflow tube? Breather tube?
Yeah, it's just a vent tube, I think.
Is that an overflow for the battery or like what the heck is it
I
for?
think
No, it's
It's a
overflow
vent
for
for the
the
chain case, isn't
Yeah,
it?
sorry, not overflow. It's chain case. I'm getting what do you call it? Buyer's remorse now.
Because the tube was resting
Yeah.
on the exhaust?
Yeah.
That makes sense.
The other funny thing is that right now it's not venting. I know.
Oh, there's where it goes. It goes in here and then
Yeah.
in there.
I think maybe.
Yeah,
Well,
sure it
it's
would.
no, not there because that.
Yeah, you would probably feed it through there. Does this
No,
like
it
a clamp?
doesn't.
Oh,
It's whole. It's cold. But I mean, I could put it there, right?
I think that's what it's for. Yeah.
But at the very least, turning it this way.
Yeah,
makes
there's
sense.
look at Ernie's. Yeah. That's exactly how it
Ernie's
goes.
gonna f***ing do this every time now. Whenever I have a problem. Well, look at mine.
This is what you should have. This is what you should have.
And then
This is what a good looking.
Should have cost you. There aren't a lot of 900s on the market either, right?
There's not.
So I don't know what people are wanting. Well, maybe people are wanting turbos.
Well, I think it's more that the 900 naturally aspirated are so good they're holding on to them. They're good machines.
You can get a flash for these at Cartronics. 110 horsepower.
And that's the same one they use for the Sea-Doo?
It might.
Probably.
I'm going to ask a
Same
bit more
motor.
about it, but yes, it's for the Spark 900As. But I mean, maybe
Why
there's
wouldn't
a
it work?
Slight adjustment for a Skidoo, right? Like,
And then you do that, then you got to probably change your clutching.
and hopefully I'll have a PBA to do that.
There you go. Yeah, it's too bad you couldn't use your old one, but it wouldn't have fit. They're different size.
Yeah, well, I still have it, and it's just an insert.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Ah, interesting.
Right.
Well, then, if you call CV Tech in Quebec, they should be able to get that for you.
Yeah, I think so.
So, how do you like it so far?
Good. Oh, I'm gonna switch this.
Compared to the 600 etec?
The etec makes power faster.
Yes, but that's a two-stroke thing.
Yeah.
And
So I don't like that about it.
do you notice any difference in the track length? Because your etec was a 137, right?
Not yet, no.
And this is a 129.
This does lift the skis,
Yes.
but I think it's partly to do with this. See how fast that is?
Only I had mine buttons were froze on mine. Mine was set at 3.
Yeah.
And I put it on 1 to try it.
What size is the lug on this track?
1.6.
1.6. That's a big paddle.
Tis.
For trail riding?
Ones are 1 1/4, I think.
That's what yours is, Ernie?
I think the stock ones are 1 1/4.
And they look strong, right? They're thick.
Yeah.
So they're gonna punch through the snow.
That's what I wondered about the like in loose snow you're better.
Yeah.
But on hard pack are they gonna fold?
What I notice is that there's something wrong with my mud flap.
It is. It looks a little twisted, eh?
Yeah, so it's torn here, and it's loose, right?
Is that a?
This is not. It's solid.
Is this a zip tie fix, maybe, or do you think it'd have to be replaced?
I'm gonna zip tie it. I'd probably be wise to zip tie it before the zip come out. 315.
Okay.
Sounds good. All right, we're gonna go back this way.
Yeah, I'm just gonna come with you.
Are ya?
Yeah, and I'll just turn right. I'm just gonna go back the way we came.
We're gonna go straight across to the silo. Yeah.
That's fine.